Hi Ghouls! Elizabeth here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to it, please hit the button down below for you to subscribe and show some support. I'm a big do-it-yourself person. Since I was a kid, I've always liked making things with my hands. I like doing arts and crafts. So today's video, I'm so excited for it and I hope you guys love it because today we're going to do a do-it-yourself video. I love do-it-yourself videos. I love trying new things. So this one, I'm very pumped for it. So today is a do-it-yourself video where I'm going to show you guys how to make an alien necklace. Yes, you heard me right, an alien necklace. So I was cleaning out my kids' room and I know they have little plastic toys here and there, and I found, how cute are these? I found these two little aliens. Look at how cute they are. I think this one's a girl. She has a little bow on her head. And this one's a boy. But I really like these aliens. And to top it off, they glow in the dark. So I didn't want to give these away. I saved, they probably had like 10 of these in the room. And you get these from the little machines where you put in a quarter. They got addicted to using the machines, so they kept getting little aliens. And I said, you know what, I'm not gonna give all of them away. I saved 2 of them, so I was just gonna have them on display on my desk. And then I realized, you know what, they're so cool. I like these little aliens and they glow in the dark. I love anything that glows in the dark and is shiny. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna turn them into a necklace. So that's what we're gonna do today. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to turn or get any little plastic little toy you have, anything that probably doesn't even work on your keychain anymore, broke off. But if you want to turn any little knick-knack or little toy into a necklace, I'm going to show you how to do that today. So today I'm going to use those 2 little aliens I showed you, and I'm going to put them on a necklace. And I'm so happy that I get to show you guys some do-it-yourself stuff that I love doing, because I'm huge on that. Anytime that I get the opportunity to like vamp up something or give it my own twist, I go for it. And I love do it yourself because it gives it that more of your own personality into the objects. And I love that because not everyone's gonna think the same way as you. So I'm gonna be making more videos like this where I show you guys how to make things and DIYs, because that's my go-to for anything. And you know what other toys I've been thinking about that would be cool to turn them into necklaces is, I don't know, my kids keep getting those. There's like little poopy surprise. See that thing? I don't even know what's up with all these like poopy and toilet toys out there for kids. Is it a poopy frenzy or something? But the little poopsies, the one that from the little unicorns, and they have like little figurines that all have horns like the unicorn and they're all glittery. There's one that comes in a poopy mold, or like a little poop of a unicorn, and then you squeeze the poop and like slime, and then the little figurine comes out. Those little figurines that come in it, they're probably like this big. They're so cute. I love those. Like I feel like going and get one just to turn it into like a bracelet, a necklace, or even 2 earrings, because those look so cute. With little figurines like that, it kind of gets tough. You don't even know where to put them, what to do with them, because once you take them out of the surprise box, you're like, what do I do with them now? And I started thinking like, it would be so cool if to turn them into necklaces, earrings. You could be like, ooh, look at this little magical earrings and necklace I have. But I'm glad I found something to do with these little aliens because they're so cute. So let's get to it. I'm going to show you guys how to turn these little aliens into a necklace. So here is the materials you're going to need. So here is some of the materials you'll need to make the necklace. Of course, you're going to need little toys or anything you want to put on a necklace, little figurines. I got these 2 little aliens. And then I got this necklace cord. See, I was trying to look for something that kind of could be kind of like a choker or a little bit tighter fitted of a necklace. That was my preference, but you could use any type of necklace you want. You can make it longer. And this necklace was only $1. Can you believe it? This necklace was only $1. I got this at Hobby Lobby, and it's a must for you guys to use those coupons that they give you sometimes from Michael's and Hobby Lobby, because they save you guys a lot of money. So this one's the cord, and I got it more of a choker style, but they had different sizes. They had chains that could be longer. They had like the regular size necklaces, but I like this one. And then some tweezers for when we have to put the little metal circle through the pin. And then I got these little screw eyes for we could screw them on top of their heads, and these were $2.99, but again I got these at Hobby Lobby, and I got them 40% off because of the coupon they have. And then I have this necklace kit that I'm gonna probably be using these metal circles back here, but this kit, I've had it since I was in fashion school, so I just save it in case I need it for other crafts. But that's the one thing, I love saving things that I've had from school, because they do come in handy for the future. And then a lighter for you could heat up the little metal screws to put them inside their head. So let's get started. First, let's get a screw eye. You want to take 2 out of the bag, or you can have 1 for each of the aliens or however many little figurines you're gonna use, and you're gonna have 1 for each of their heads. Grab the hook eye and see in what position you want to put it in through the head, and once you get the exact spot, just push it in a little bit to make an imprint, and then heat up the hook eye, or you can make it hot enough to push it in through the plastic on top of the figurine's head. Once you got the hook eye in, you could screw it in the rest of the way with your fingers, and screw it in all the way until you come to a stop, and there you have it. You have a hook inside the figurine's head, and you could go ahead and repeat these same steps for the following figurines that you have. Once you have finished putting all the hook eyes on top of the figurine's heads, you're ready to get the little metal hoops where you could attach the top of the hook eye that's on the figurine to your necklace. So go ahead and grab the metal hoops. You would need 1 for each figurine. And then you attach the metal hoop to the figurine's head, and then you attach it to the necklace. Make sure that once you have put the metal hoops on the necklace, to tighten them closed, and then you're all set. So here's the necklace all done. You guys can see how cute do they look on the necklace. And now I could take them with me wherever I go, and I could glow in the dark too. But see, what I was meaning about this one, I wanted it to be more of a choker style, so I could have them more up here. So I really like it how this necklace turned out, but I hope you guys love this DIY that I showed you guys how to turn little figurines into a necklace. But this thing is so comfortable. I love this cord because it's kind of made out of fabric, and it's very stretchy too. But I hope you guys love this DIY as much as I love making this, and I can't wait for next time when we get to try new crafts, new things, But thank you for joining me today, DIY on making my own alien necklace choker. And ghouls, don't forget to subscribe, to hit the button down below to subscribe. Don't forget to comment and like. And thank you, ghouls, for joining me today. See you next time.